Hello, I'm Nayat from Hadi Cloud. Here, we use a Google Ad search to create leads for businesses that provide a service. And today I wanted to talk to you about the top 3 things that you need to know before you use maximize conversion bid strategy by Google Ads. I recently employed this bid strategy in one of my clients' accounts, and I wanted to share with you the 3 things that you should know before you apply this bid strategy, because it can cost you thousands of dollars a day and not produce results. So here's what I learned. First, don't apply the maximize conversion bid strategy on every campaign that you have. Apply it to one, and then you need to realize that the budget that you have set, whether it's $100 or $500 a day, that Google is going to use that and a lot more while it's learning. So if you cannot afford 500, 1,000 or more in Google's algorithm learning and not get any leads, then set your budget at the amount that you're going to be comfortable with for letting that set. Now, the downside to this is, let's say you set the budget too low. Well, Google is going to learn, and once it optimizes, and then you're like, wow, this campaign is really performing. Let me increase the budget. Well, that process needs to happen all over again. So start with the amount that's reasonable to you and see if after a few weeks you want to continue or not. Okay, so the second thing that you really need to do is make sure you have a good negative keyword list that is applied at the campaign level that you're testing. If you do not have a good negative keyword list set up, it's not the right thing to do. Don't do it. Don't apply this bid on your campaign. First, create a good negative keyword list with a few hundred, if not more, negative keyword lists that you can apply to make sure that Google Ads, their algorithm stays within bounds. Otherwise, you're going to get clicks and impressions and people coming to your website that has nothing to do with what you're trying to sell. Absolutely nothing. Zero. You want to make sure that you have your conversion tracking set up correctly. Well, and the reason that I say that is you have to have conversion tracking set up in the first place in order to use this algorithm. I guess what I'm trying to say is be confident about your conversion tracking, that it's producing the results that you want, because Google's going to use that same data to base its learning on. So if your conversion tracking is set to value something that you're not interested in, well, Google is going to deliver that exactly to you. So what I'm saying with this last tip is make sure your Google conversion tracking is set up the way you want it to work, and that you have tested it previously to make sure that that's what your clients really care about. Now, for us as a lead gen business, it's really easy. We focus on calls, unique calls, first-time callers, and then the forms that they fill out. So I hope these top 3 tips were beneficial to you, and thank you for watching this video.